Alrighty, Benny Kiko here. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the keycaps that we talked about earlier this month and give you a few updates that are going on. So we had the GMK Terra ended up releasing. We had the GMK panels as well, so you can go ahead and get those if you're interested. The GMK Electric, we also talked about that one. And one that we didn't see earlier, but that came out is the GMK Momo Yume. This one's a nice key set. It's a monotone colorway. Go ahead and put a picture of that up on the screen. I'm a fan of it, but nothing too crazy, doesn't catch my eye. And most importantly, the two favorites of the month for me were the GMK Mika and the GMK Taco. And like I said, I was gonna buy this one, the Taco, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Just click on there, go to the vendor, which is Mexico. The base kit does have the sub-legends, awesome. So go ahead and pre-order that. Let's see, agree, proceed to checkout, awesome. And right here we have the price for the GMK Taco is going to be $140, usually pretty standard. And before I pay, I just got to make sure, check the bank account. And oh, you know what? Here, I think I have some cash on me. Let me just. Well, looks like I'm going into debt.